What is going on, everybody? It's your boy back again with another banger of a video. And just like how the description says, it's not Corolla content this time. This is actually the I call it my downtime. I'm gonna show you guys how I turn this old, not so old headliner on this 2010 Honda Civic, or quote unquote, aka 8th gen Honda Civic. I guess that's what they're called. I'm gonna show you guys how I turned this headliner, factory headliner, into what it looks like right now. So if you guys are interested in how I made that process, stay tuned, watch, and I guess be amazed. Be amazed at the process. I don't know. I guess I'm gonna show you guys how I struggled, and how, I guess you could say, struggled. I don't know if it's really struggling, because I didn't really struggle. It was more tedious and time consuming rather than struggling. But anyways, let's get to the process. Alright guys, so after a while of fighting with it, or just kind of maneuvering it back and forth, I was able to actually get it off, take it out without damaging it, I hope. All these lines that you see here aren't really creases of the bent. This is just the fabric just coming up. For those of you that are just wondering if I bent it. You know, this is just the fabric just coming up. As you can see, it was pretty old. Well, not old, just I guess from manufacturer, not really that great of a job that they did. They probably used some really cheap adhesive that didn't hold as much. But now that I got it out, now I could clean it up and get to the next step. Alright guys, so this is the product, finished, cleaned up as much as I could. Everything's already cleaned up from sides to the edges and whatnot, taking off all the old foamy residue, and it's pretty good to pretty much lay the new stuff on there. Now it does look a little bit discolored right there, a little bit different. That's because, you know, I don't know what that is, but it's pretty much gone already. It's just, I guess, residue. It's not thick to where it's leaving any issues or any uneven imperfections. It'll still kind of apply there pretty good. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so that's the finished touch. As you can see, I'm already done with everything. Got it all set and done, pre-cut, ready to go. The only bad part is, kind of mad at that. When I sprayed it, some of that stuff flew out of the range where I was trying to spray, and it just got on the freaking suede. Other than that, that's the guy. Pre-cut, folded the corners in, so there's none coming out anymore, except for this part, because that's underneath the headliner. But other than that, folded everything in, glued it down, everything's set, ready to go. There are some areas that are kind of lifted up a little bit, maybe right here, but that doesn't really matter too much because that's going to be on the inside. So all that, everything that's holding this headliner in place is pretty much just going to seal it in, so it's not really going to come off loose. But other than that, I mean, that's the guy. On to the next one. much I did 4 sets on one side and 4 sets on the other side. This is the back part of the headliner. Now the front part of the headliner, it's only just gonna have 2 sets on each side of the shooting star setup. This is how I do it, or this is how I did it. I was confused at how I was gonna do it at first because I wasn't too sure how it worked as far as the setup goes. I've never really done this before. But basically what it is, each of these strands right here has 8 of the little hair tubes that I call them. And I thought each one went on each of those dots right there. But the little stick or the little bar that comes with it, it lights up. Now here, let me show you. So this is what I have right here, pretty much. And each of these little tubes go inside there. But each one has 8 of those little strands, or 8 of those little hairs, pieces, little LED strings. And this guy, when it turns on in meteor or shooting star mode. And I thought that's how it went. Each one would light up, but then I started thinking each one has 8 little hairs. So I have to put 1 hair on each dot of the lines of the setups, right? Until I finish one of these. And then once I start off with the next tube, then I start off with the second dot of wherever I'm gonna go. This is my first. So we'll see how it goes, all right? Alright everybody, so I finally got it done. So I counted each one individually up until I got 137 or 138 on each section, and then I zip tied it so I can make a set. So I can make a set on each one, and I finally got it done. Put all of them in there. Hot glued them, because I've seen a lot of people say that, you know, it's always good to hot glue them, but not a good amount, just a small part or just a small piece to where it just holds it in place. And so far, you know, it looks good. This is how it looks. You know, the white got that twinkle effect. This is how it looks in the back. So it's gonna look pretty interesting just hanging off of the car like that. It's gonna look like a jungle. No, I'm kidding. I gotta cut all these things off. I gotta cut them off so I can make them flush or flat to the headliner. And then once I do that, then you'll just see the twinkle, like the star effect, kind of. Alright guys, so that concludes on that headliner install. If you guys like that DIY Starlight headliner, let me know in the comments down below. If you guys like this video, hit that thumbs up. If you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell as well. That way you get notified whenever I upload videos. whenever that is. But anyways, with that being said, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Deuces.